Hey guys, welcome back to Conquest Racing Club. Tonight we're going to be looking at another livery, one of my favorite manufacturers, the Porsche. This particular livery is from the 2018 24-hour Le Mans. It is a Porsche 911 RSR. This is the Project 1 edition in a striking bumblebee black and yellow edition. This livery was a one-off. It was only raced in the 2018 Le Mans, 24-hour Le Mans series. So we're going to take a detailed look into it. So let's get to it. Alright, let's take a detailed look at this livery. Once again, this is a gorgeous vehicle. I really like the color scheme. This matte black with yellows really stands out. Looks awesome on the track. But yeah, what are we looking at here? This is the Project 1 911 RSR. This was the car that they ran. This is the livery that they ran in the 2018 24-hour Le Mans. It's the only time they ran this livery. They do run predominantly yellow and black, but this is the only time they use the matte black wheels. So I really like this color scheme on this car. It's really awesome. It's a typical RSR, really wide front, really wide rear. We have the canards here that are in matte black. We have the air intake that's right down here, and we got the Mentos logo. So Mentos on this side, which says 1993, and Mentos on this side, which says 2018, which was the year that 1993 was when Project 1 got established. 2018 is the year they're running this vehicle. Across its hood, we got the Project 1 logo right there. We have the German flag, as this is a German company that owned this vehicle. We get the car number 56 and the AM. This means that it ran in the amateur series of the Le Mans that year. Across the top of the windshield, we have the Porsche logo. And then when we go across the hood, when we go across the roof of the vehicle, we get the 1993 to 2018 when this car was run. So the establishing year of Project 1 to the year that it was run, which is 2018. Alright, coming to the rear of the vehicle, we get to see, the big bubble butt of the Porsche here, the RSR. This is a really wide vehicle. It looks extremely wide. I don't know if it's wider, but we will measure that out. And then you get to see the aggressive rear diffuser here, the lighting system. Once again, like I said, matte black and yellow, so a lot of the details are hidden in the matte black. But moving across the side, we have these matte black wheels to match the matte black livery. And then we get the hashtag of Project 25 on the sill here, which is on the passenger side, which is also matched on the driver's side. So my final thoughts on this vehicle, what we're talking about is this Porsche 911 RSR. It is the Project 1 car. When it comes to the 911 RSR, it is my favorite vehicle from Carrera right now. In terms of racing, in terms of driving, it really suits my driving style. So I love this vehicle. It's fully planted on the track. You can really get the most out of this vehicle if you wanted to, and I do. I do have a couple of them that I do race regularly, so I know the potential in this vehicle is very, very high. Straight out of the box, it was pretty fast. If you notice from our results here, you'll see that it's currently at 4.186 seconds. It sits right behind the Mercedes AMG, and I think that's by like 200ths of a second. So it's really comparable to the Mercedes AMG GT3, which we reviewed earlier, in terms of straight out of the box performance. Can you get more? Definitely. You know, could I have beaten that? Probably. But you know, we're just trying to get benchmarking runs here. We're not really going into very high competition right now. I'm just trying to get stock runs, benchmark runs, and see where they stack up. And you know, they're pretty much identical between the Mercedes and the Porsche 911. You know, you could pick either and do really well. Would I buy one? Heck yeah. Like it's an awesome vehicle to have in your collection. I recommend more. I have a lot of them, and I'll show you more as we do more of these reviews. So once again, if you like this kind of content, you like what I'm putting out here, you know, please feel free to subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. You know, if you give us constructive comments and criticism, we'll take it into account. We'll do whatever we can to change that, whatever we're doing, to make it better. So I look forward to engaging with you as we move forward. And until next time, guys, stay safe and have fun on rails. Take care. Bye.